Good morning and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Today, the 29th day of November 2024. Today is a Friday and the time is headlines on Nigerian newspapers. But before we do that, let's go for a short break. When we come back, we'll continue on the stories making the headlines. Please stay with us. You're welcome back to newspaper headlines on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news, making the headlines on The Guardian, Leadership, Vanguard, Punch, Daily Post, The Nation, This Day, and if time permits, we're also going to take a look at Nigerian Tribune newspapers. Remember that you can become part of the conversation by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 081 38 39 7740 or 081 39 6742. I am Martin. Let's get started with the Guardian newspaper this morning. Lawyer narrates ordeal of father's abduction, murder despite ransom payment. Lagos seeks citizens' engagement on development, pledges good environment. Leveraging blue economy can buoy Nigeria's GDP to $1.5 trillion, says experts. Tertiary Education Trust Fund halts foreign scholarships over abscondment. NACON refunds 5.3 billion naira to 95,000 pilgrims for poor Hajj services. Tell Nigerians the truth about Port Harcourt refinery. Petroleum economists urges federal government, UNICEF, UK, GenU, partner Yabatech to drive socio-economic change among young girls, women. We fought like gallant soldiers, destroyed enemies' plans to halt governance.